Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Crypto.com in Hindi. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. To get started, first download the Crypto.com app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, create an account by providing your email address, password, and other basic information. Verify your account by clicking on the link sent to your email address. After verifying your account, you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's move on to the main dashboard of the app. Here you can see the various sections such as portfolio, markets, and trade. The portfolio section shows the current value of your cryptocurrencies, while the markets section shows the current prices of various cryptocurrencies. The trade section allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. To buy a cryptocurrency, click on the trade section and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to buy and click on the buy button. You can pay using various payment methods such as credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. To sell a cryptocurrency, click on the trade section and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Enter the amount you want to sell and click on the sell button. The funds will be transferred to your bank account or wallet. It is also important to understand the concept of wallet and address. A wallet is a digital storage where you can store your cryptocurrencies, while an address is a unique code that is used to receive cryptocurrencies. You can generate a new address for each transaction to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, using Crypto.com in Hindi is easy and straightforward. Always remember to follow best practices such as setting up two-factor authentication, using strong passwords, and keeping your account information up to date. By following these steps and tips, you can safely and securely buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com.